I have a tricky vocabulary topic for you today, and that's the difference between other and another. I commonly hear students making a mistake with other and another. Let's break it down with some simple rules to help you understand the difference between these two words. Another is a word that means additional or a different one of something, or a different selection within the category you're talking about. One of the tricky parts here is that another only works when you're using single nouns. So you can't say, I would like to see another cars. That is a plural noun, and another doesn't work. So some really good examples of this would be, I would like another cup of coffee. You've had a cup of coffee already and you would like one more cup of coffee. Or, can I have another slice of pizza, please? Again, you've had a slice of pizza. You would like another one, a second slice of pizza. It's not correct to say, I would like another cups of coffee, because this is a plural noun. In contrast, other indicates a different one or additional ones if you're talking about plurals. For example, I don't like this blue shirt. Could I see other colors? That's a plural noun. I want to see different ones from the one I have. Or, some people like coffee, other people like tea. One group of people likes coffee, the second group of people likes tea. It's a plural noun, so you use other with it. Another place you can use other is when there's only one selection left. I have two dogs. I have a black dog and the other one is brown. There's only one dog left, so I use the other in this case to talk about the second dog I have. Or the example, this shoe doesn't fit properly. I'd like to try the other shoe. There's only one other shoe in this instance, so I'm talking about that shoe. So here's some examples with these. I don't like this shirt. Do you have another one? A different one? I don't like the color of this shirt. Do you have any other colors? I would like another drink. I would like one more drink. I need other drinks. I want a different selection of types of drink. Or for business English, you could say, this solution doesn't work for me. Do you have other solutions? Many solutions. Or you could say, do you have another solution? Now there's only one possible solution. Both of these work. They both kind of mean the same thing, but you're using one with a singular noun and one with a plural noun, and that's the big difference between other and another. It's really common for students to make mistakes with these and use another when they mean other. I don't like the color of this shirt. Do you have another colors? For example, is incorrect. I don't like the color of this shirt. Do you have an other color? Singular color. So this is a pretty small detail. They're very closely related words, but it makes a big difference, and it sounds very obvious to native speakers if you use these incorrectly. So if you say, I would like other cup of coffee, please, versus the correct form, I would like another cup of coffee, please, one more cup of coffee. I don't really like coffee. Do you have any other drinks to offer in your restaurant? So it's a small detail, but it makes a pretty big difference in how native speakers perceive you when you're speaking English. I'm Ryan Chappell. This has been Learning English Adventures. If you like what I do, give me a like and follow. It really helps me.